If you have children, then you know how sneaky they are about growing. One minute they're babies, the next minute they're taller than you. They grow every day, but you probably didn't notice it until you look back at their photos. The same can be true for inflation. Sometimes we don't notice prices going up. But as we've seen recently, the cost of some products can soar almost overnight. Just take a look at the price of lumber or used cars or houses. In the last year, they've soared. Inflation is one of those things that can cause a retiree to outlive his money. Fortunately, some investments tend to do quite well during inflationary times. How about you? If you're not sure, maybe we can help. Give us a call to schedule a 15-minute phone call. Call me at 610-695-8748 to start working on fixing your inflation worries today.